Around 11 ito.
11. I heard 11.
Everyone, nasa labas kami ngayon kasi mamaya around 11 p.m. Magpailaw sila dito sa mga Christmas lights and meron ding concert kaya ang daming tao. Then
No,
yesterday
this place, I saw the post.
post.
They decorated something. I think the main event will happen here.
Yeah. Yeah, the one that I had you guy told me that they have event here. It's close to the church.
Bring some cash.
Yeah,
Smell some.
smells good barbecue.
That nut. You know the
Nuts?
nut?
Oh, yeah, I remember that. So, merong concert. I guess Portuguese singer. I remember that Raquel said. They're waiting. So, a lot of people. 11 ito.
11. I heard 11. Sure.
Ayan, magpailaw
I
na
saw
sila.
somewhere.
Yeah?
It's 11.
So, all that lights. Christmas, ang daming one. So, ito yung church dito.
You can text her, asking if they are here.
So yun guys, nag-start itong concert nito. Dito lang kami sa gilid, hindi kami lumalapit sa, sa stage kasi nakita nyo ang daming tao nagsiksikan. Ang hirap po no magsiksikan, meron tayong baby at saka meron din school. Kaya dito lang kami sa gilid nakinood. Hindi naman talaga ito yung main na pumunta kami dito, kundi yung mga pailaw sa Christmas, decorations, mga Christmas lights, ganun. So yun guys, after a few days, lumabas kami at meron kaming kasama, family. So anyway, ito merong nagtagbuhan. Ano pala ito? Para sa yung marathon kasi marami. Hindi lang kami aware. So ayan, yung kasama namin, sila, Portuguese and Brazilian. And then meron din silang baby. So kaya naging kaibigan namin sila kasi lagi kaming nakikita sa, sa playground. And then si Carnel at ang baby nila makipaglaro, magtakbuhan. So ayun, bago kami naglakad-lakad, nagpark muna kami and then tinitreat kami ng coffee. So after namin ng coffee, ayun na, naglalakad kami at na-discover namin itong place na to na paka-colorful at kaganda dito. Ayun guys, damang-dama mo na yung Pasko dito kasi yung liwanag at yung mga decorations. So, advance Merry Christmas sa ating lahat and wish you all the best. And thank you for watching.